Okay, here I am, the co-show, while my dog barks, because the FedEx man just showed up and brought me the NX10 SE special edition. Got those aluminum gimbals we're after, that you can see in the picture here. Do have the standard NX10, and why the SE? Because I want that buttery, smooth feel on my gimbals. So I thought the new Hall Effect gimbals would be good. There's nothing wrong with these gimbals. It's just that, you know, generally in the world today, the more you pay, the better the stuff gets. So we're gonna give this NX10 SE a try. Let's unbox it. Here's a new jazzy case, NX10 SE case. Looks like it's 3D printed or something. It's pretty cool. At least your radio will be protected. Let's open the case. So here we go. Here's the bright screen on the NX10 SE from Spektrum. Super nice. The gimbals are very, very, very nice. Super smooth. I'm liking that feature. Oh yeah. They are adjustable, it looks like. The radio is not flickering, it's just the camera picking that up. If you are seeing that on my film. And here's a look at that case, the way it fits. It fits in here this way. It's nice and tight in the case. You get a little fanny pack kind of bag. There's some orange grips, which I'm not a fan of. There's some orange grips, extras. Try those. And here's a charge cable right here. You just plug this into a USB port on anything and you're good to go. And it's got a lithium-ion battery in it, I believe. My last NX10 lasted a long time, so this will too. And we'll get into maybe some more stuff about setup here on one of these new helicopters. So we'll get to that. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned. So this is the new NX10 SE from Spektrum. Thanks a lot. So, what do I think? Kosho619 thinks it's a good radio with nice gimbals. It's super smooth. That's what we're paying for. I do wish that the switch nuts came on it, the orange ones anyway, so you could decipher the difference between the two radios, and maybe a screensaver would have been cool. But other than that, totally a nice radio. How about this? Go ahead and use my coupon right now, HHTEAM111 for 10% off. Buy it now. Come on, let's go. Kosho619. Enjoy. You can use that coupon in the whole store. Do it now.